I am making breakfast. So, magluluto din ako ng tuyo at saka bela. Wala kami hila today. Kasi natuloy yung bayan.
Morning.
May buntag.
Buntag.
Na, ngayayamot.
Iyay kamot.
Luna?
Luna. Kami hilipap. Guys.
Hama si mami.
Iskoy.
Aw, isko. Be. Hello.
Hello. Ho, tintin ng lubutang tangging. Paho ang lubutang tangging.
Ano?
Lubut.
Baho?
Paho.
Ah, baho. Badya. Kasi may nagtugtog sa'yo mo diyan. Kalit-kalit ka ba?
Kinog tangbing, mami.
Aw, ni kayo ang mami kanding. Me.
Na.
Ay, grabe. Abtik naman ka dong. Ano lang?
Na.
Ay, ka very good. May lang sa kanding.
Na.
Ay, loading. Para magitubol, be. Hindi yung signal dong. Good evening, guys. So, today is Sunday and my parcel just arrived this afternoon. So, let's unwrap it. Ito siya. Let's open This is from Dermore Republic. First time ko lang itatry itong product from Dermore Republic. Their niacinamide serum. Basta serum na. Kita ko yung reviews nila and madami din kong gumagamit ng product na to. This is a toner. I'll try this. Maganda kasi yung reviews niya. Really effective talaga siya sa karamihan. And then, itong serum nila. Let's open. Madami din siyang laman. It's already 30 ml. I'll try this tomorrow. Let's open the second one. Ganito isang parcel. Pero hindi pa siya dumating. I think this is the laptop stand. Diba? Na-order ko siya nang hindi na sale. Pero I really need this. Kasi yung isang laptop stand ko nasa kapatid ko. This is what it looks like. Let's assemble this muna. Tapos na. Transfer ko lang pera. Hindi na siya organized. Perfectly fit. Kaso, kailangan ko pang lagyan na something that will cover the rough surfaces. Assemble na siya dahil.
What the dog doing?
Merry Christmas, everyone! Grabe ka aso naman, Ray. Mura magnay naghaling. It's not Christmas season. It's faggy season na, day. Aso na. Good evening. Today is December 30. It is currently, maaga pa naman. Currently, 8:36 p.m. So anyways, we have plan for tomorrow kasi 31 na tomorrow. Sabay kami ni Mama mag-grocery konti tomorrow for the preparation for New Year's Eve. At bibili din ako ng few needed stuff para dito sa room. So maybe this New Year we'll prepare a little bit extra kasi it's a double celebration since it's my mom's birthday as well. So I think that's it. See you tomorrow. Good night. God bless.
What the dog doing?
Did it?
What the dog doing?
Magtatahi lang ako ng damit kasi try ko to suotin mamaya. Just try to tahi this lower part kasi sayang din naman pag gupitin ko siya. Short na siya. Ito! Time check.
Hama naman cellphone
It's
niya, ay te.
already 11:57.